I like it here. It's nice. Everything's so quiet and peaceful, like.
208 miles.
Ever read the newspapers?
No.
Nothing up
Full
there.
of trash and murders and stuff.
What you don't know.
All
right, here's your pepper salt.
Walked into a bakery shop and said to the baker,
You and me both.
found a fly in the raisin.
Well, Paul, I'm afraid you have me cornered.
Says, so bring
You
back
still have
the
a couple
fly,
of
I'll
moves,
give you
Mr.
a
Kessler.
raisin.
You met your equal, Dad.
Oh, your father just got himself into a bad position.
Not coming down.
You know,
Defective base.
Don't give us strong. It's your game, Paul.
cute
Want to play
little
another?
6-year-old boy walked into the
That's right.
grocery and said,
Right.
Mommy wants change of a dollar. He gave him change of a
May I
dollar.
speak
The
to you a
little
moment,
fellow was
please?
on the way out.
Oh, yes,
The
certainly.
called to him and said, just a minute, son.
Well,
Where's the
let's go
dollar?
ask the
Should give it to
computer.
you on
Yeah, the
the
cook wants to leave. But she
And you know, since truth is so much stranger than
She just
fiction,
came. She feels that her
imagine a
work is
man who found it
unsatisfactory.
possible, but
She
25
has so
years
much
of
trouble
life
with
to
dinner.
work every
Why,
day
that's
at 9 o'clock.
ridiculous.
Just as the
Oh, I
day that day he
understand. It's
walked
your
in
first
for
day.
work at 9 in the
I'll
morning.
speak to
You
her.
set your
I'll
watch
say
by
goodnight,
the
Mr.
period.
Kessler. Think I'll
And
turn
suddenly
in.
one
Thanks
morning,
for the
after all
game.
these
Good night,
25 years
Good night,
of
Dad.
punctual 9 o'clock appearances, he walked in at 10.
I'll walk up with you, Paul.
Oh, glad to have your company. It's a long run from climbing up those stairs all alone.
Burn efficiency
Ear hanging.
5.32.
Lip
Where are you going,
close,
Richard?
ripped.
You can't leave us after cooking such an elegant dinner.
Did you really like it, Mr. Kessler?
Why, I never tasted anything to equal that roast beef. Besides, you can't go now. It's going to rain in a minute.
Are you sure you want me to stay?
Certainly, Marie.
Well, I like it here, but I thought,
Oh, then it is settled.
wait till you taste my apple pie, Mr. Kessler.
You know, I had a boss like that
That
once.
will be a treat. Let me take this. See, you might as well
Falling
unpack your
down, I
things.
want you to hear about a man who's breathing very
Not
heavily.
at all, Marie.
This man
Good night.
is loaded.
Good night,
blind.
Mr. Kessler.
Well, how about it?
There's a word
He's
that
a
will accurately
wonderful
describe
man.
its condition.
So do I.
It may be found in the new...
Data's insufficient for positive
Now,
answer,
let's
only
see.
an approximation.
I'll tell
What
you one
did I
thing.
do wrong?
That rocket comes down in a populated area. It won't be good.
Yeah. Well, the rocket went into almost escape velocity. Take a look at the globe.
Standing by to switch over to camera transmitters at 0900. In 2 minutes and 14 seconds, we will enter our tighter orbit. All systems are go. Stand by to switch over.
We receive you, Mars Probe 1. We are standing by to receive your transmission at 0900. Oh, incidentally, gang, Happy New Year.
Standing by. Oh, and Happy New Year. Toot toot.
Switchover complete. Stand by for camera systems check run.
Camera scopes down.
Wide angle, full scan camera systems all go. Functioning, 3 second sequence interval. Be sure and correlate your cameras, Dorothy. We don't want any overlap.
Correlation complete and corrected. Narrow angle partial scan systems all go. Functioning on 2-second intervals.
Red flash. Give me a reading on reception, Charlie. Changing over to telephoto system. Stand by to switch over all recorder instrumentation.
View screen reception 100. Standing by to activate image stabilizer circuit. Recorder input, computers, tapes, all go. Switch on.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Since the splitting of the atom only a few decades ago, and through his God-given genius of science, man, at last, has succeeded in penetrating further and further into the unknown vastness of space. The moon has become the launching base for advanced exploration. From this
Mr. Kessler,
point,
are you ill?
At the risk of their lives, set out
Something
to
wrong?
conquer nature's mysterious forces. Yet many questions remain.
Hello, Paul.
What is his Earth in relation to the inconceivable number of other worlds? Is his speed truly the fastest? His achievements
I must
the
have
greatest?
walked in my sleep.
Well, you did better than I. I couldn't sleep at all.
Driftwood, floating
It's
in the
raining.
vast ocean of the universe.
Why don't you go to
Could there
bed,
be
Paul?
life similar to our
I'm
own
all right.
on other planets?
Is there
it not
anything I
possible
can do?
That atmospheric conditions of relative
Nothing, Paul.
environment
Thank you.
control
I think
their
I'll
fate
read for a while.
or,
Good night.
If so, would they be
Good night,
giants,
Mr. Kessler.
or would perhaps the opposite be true? Could their intellect have reached a scientific level far above man's reach? What then will the future reveal? This story you are about to witness is only the beginning.
Log entry. This is 3. March 16, 1980. Captain Leonard Pilot. Navigator. The last day in the state of Constitution. Plane Precinct 1. United States Air Force Communication. We are 21,000 miles from base. Bearing 700 degrees. 3 minutes. Azimuth 10 plus. 46 degrees or 6 degrees. 5 on routine successive approximation. By trajectory computer using data space position recorder. Quiet launch again. Imperial.
We're almost a degree off trajectory, Captain. Equipment check's okay.
Well, you look like you had a good night's sleep, Mr. Kessler.
I was so tired when I got to bed, I don't even remember climbing in.
Dad!
Something's approaching fast. I'm setting up auto-evasive pattern.
A large planetoid object is on a direct collision
Who would do
course
a
with
thing like that?
We are under 11 G's exterior acceleration and have no control whatsoever.
I wonder if anyone was hurt.
Nothing could have hurt my father more.
It's unquestionably the work of a madman. You all right, Evans?
Yes, sir, Mr. Kessler. Good morning, sir.
Where is the new cook?
She says she'll go shopping first thing this morning.
Have you looked in your room?
No, sir. Something wrong, Mr. Kessler? There's a valise. She didn't leave.
I'm not worried about that. When did she tell you she's going to the market?
Last night before she went to bed.
Do you think there's any connection between this and what has happened before?
I don't know. Have you been through the rest of the house yet?
No, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Kessler.
Oh, Marie. You have no idea how happy I am to see you.
Thank you. I wonder why he was so glad to see me.
Mr. Kessler thought you had been murdered.
Oh, he's so sweet. I'm going to start to make her happy for her. Murdered?
I can't imagine who would do a thing like that.
I'll get it.
Good morning, Miss Kessler.
Won't you come in?
Thank you.